Across the oceans, I'm reaching for you. Through the silence, I'm calling your name. No horizon can hide what is true. Even a part of burns just the same. I feel your heartbeat in the stars, though they're so far away. And every sunset feels like a promise we'll make someday. But the nights grow colder and the time moves slow. Still I'd wait 1,000 lifetimes for your shadow to show. The distance whispers, but it screams in my soul. Every second is a story untold. Across the oceans, I'm reaching for